Hi, Scott Doolin at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new 2025 year model Harris Solstice 230 with a halo bimini and 250 horsepower Mercury. All right, so this Solstice was ordered with the gray interior in a SLDH. So SL for single lounge, DH for dual helm. So if you like this boat, but you wish that it had a an L bench over here, we certainly have those in stock also. This just happens to be the SLDH. So powered halo bimini top gives you the look of a water sports tower without a cost of one, which is really, really nice. Single SIMRAD screen, subwoofer, amplifier, JL audio throughout, and this also has the full lighting package. So RGB lighting, cup holders, seat bases, speakers under the rub rail and underwater in the back. So lit up completely. Flip-flop backrest back here in the back. 250 horsepower. It is power assisted hydraulic steering, which makes it really, really nice. You can steer this boat with just a couple fingers on the steering wheel. Does have the nice lily pad ladder as well as the submersible swim platform. So if you want to see any of the other boats or talk about any of the other ones, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.